Hello everybody, and I am Arvind, founder and CEO at Jobline, Jobness, and the BMS Solutions, the company which provide manpower solution to their clients and customers. So here I am with you to discussing with the company Jobline, Jobness. I am here to help you that answering the question. Tell me about yourself. Okay, so whenever you go and after greeting, shaking hand and introducing yourself, the next thing that interviewer are probably going to ask you to do the talk about yourself. This is very weird question. Many people are they think, but it is a really open book. Okay, you can fill anything there. So it is a open page with your pen. You can fill anything that if any interviewer is asking to you, tell me about yourself. You have to option to saying anything, whatever you want to, as well as you want to follow that. So now this might seem easy for you that you have practiced in your English class so much, but they don't want to hear every single detail about saying something like I was born in Beijing, I love playing the computer and surfing the net, I have two sisters. They don't want to know everything about you. They want to know about you and your career growth. So they want to know about related the job you are applying for. Also make sure you don't use the informal slang or make any basic grammar mistake. Okay, so here I have with example sharing with you. Like I have been working as a junior chef in a small Italian restaurant for 2 years, and my duties including assisting the head chef and preparing salad. I have always been interested in good and cooking, which was why I chose to follow this career path. I studied at dash anything college you prefer, college where I gained my first level of cooking diploma. I, if you have a trouble with question like this and other serious, you might be considered to knowing more about searching about more about to knowing about this question. You can visit our website at BMS Solutions, otherwise Jobness. So you can got many other such as preparation tips for you, and there we have provide many such as this thing. Okay, so I hope this video will help to understand how to answer the tell me about yourself. So yeah, this is the example. Like you can not always reply your personal details like to your family things, because they are not going to interest about that. They are not interesting to knowing about that, and they want to know only about your career path, what you have experience and what you are going to apply, and what is the relate what you are saying and how it's related to your job orientation.